Hello, my name is Tom and I'm here today to teach you how to install the Wedge King double wedge concrete anchor. I will be using the WK-38-334, which is a 3/8 inch diameter, 3 3/4 inch long wedge anchor and a masonry bit 3/8 inch in a hammer drill. Okay, the first step is we need to mark the depth of the hole we're going to drill. We're going to drill a 3-inch hole today, so I will take a ruler and I will measure 3 inches on the drill bit. And I will then add a piece of tape that will show me exactly where the 3-inch depth is. I will then place this bit into a hammer drill and drill the holes to mount the fixture that we will be anchoring to the concrete. After drilling the holes, the drill comes down to the tape that I placed on the hole, which indicates that the hole is exactly 3 inches deep. Drilling a second hole, I do exactly the same thing. You must clear the hole of debris, drilling debris, prior to putting in the anchor. There are two methods to placing the anchor into the hole. The first method is using a standard hammer. What you would do is you would prepare the bolt where you would place the nut with about 2 threads sticking above the top of the bolt. Place that into the hole, and using eye protection, you begin to set the anchor into the hole. When the anchor bottoms out, the anchor is in place. Unscrew, take the washer out, place your fixture down, and you can then bring the nut down to the bottom of the fixture, and now it is time to tighten the fixture using a torque wrench. A torque wrench, in this case for 3/8, is set to 40 foot-pounds. We've already set the torque wrench to 40 foot-pounds. I will now place the torque wrench over the nut and begin to tighten. We tighten now till we achieve 40 foot-pounds. That will set the anchor. And once we hear the click, we know that the anchor is set. Now I will show you a second way how to mount the wedge anchor using the Set It Fast tool. A second way to install the wedge anchor is to use the Set It Fast tool available for sale on our website. You put the tool in the hammer drill, and then what you do is you place the anchor inside the hammer drill and leaving the hammer drill on the hammer drill setting. Place it in the hole. What this does is this guarantees that you're not going to mess up the threads on the anchor. So you would then be able to thread the bolt with no problem. For situations where you're installing a lot of anchors, this is the way to go, the Set It Fast tool. A second way, if a torque wrench is unavailable, you can use a standard wrench to set the wedge anchor. Bring the nut and washer down to the test fixture, and making 3 to 5 complete turns will set the wedge anchors in place. Keeping track, there's 1, there's 2 complete turns. You'll begin to feel a very strong resistance, and at that point, in this case I did 3 turns, you could go up to 5 turns, and at this point our fixture is anchored to the floor and will stay like that for many, many years without retightening, because the double wedge resists slipping.